No. What you want to say to the people, D? This is how I raise my vibe. Yeah. I get out in nature. I take my shoes off. I plant my feet on the earth. And I allow the energy to flow through my crown, through my root, back through my root, all the way up to my crown. So it flows through us and out of us. But how I am able to do that is by grounding myself in nature. See, I was chaotic before. I wasn't able to transmit the energy the way that I am now. But earth, grounding me is helping. And connecting to the Christ is helping. The sun. We connect to the sun and we connect to the planet. And we're on the same rhythm as the planet's rhythm. We're on the same rhythm as the planet's rhythm. You stay on that rhythm, you can't get got. It's lit.
When you put your naked feet on the ground, you're allowing the energy to shoot out from inside, from the top of your head, coming from the cosmos, through your core, straight down through your nervous system, your vagus nerve, and the energy shoots out through your feet. The minute you do that, you just connected Father Sky and Mother Earth. This is where heaven, you stand between heaven and earth. You are the thing between heaven and earth. When you realize that, you stand there and allow the energy to come in through the top of your head, the chimney, where those soft bones is really thin up there, thinnest bones in your body, because light comes in through those bones, through the cosmos, information.
Oh, that's why. She felt like she could. When you stumble upon the gems, man. I didn't know this was gonna be a whole gem. That's what happens when you're soulfully led. Right? Yeah. When you're soulfully led, you stumble upon a whole hidden gem. You're on Candy Camera. Say hello. Hello. Don't be extra though.
No, I stepped on something. And then it's a puddle, so be mindful. I walk into the what's the right thing?
Mom, there's bees by me.
That's okay. That means that we're in a high vibration.
Help.
You don't need help.
Help.
I have tights.
Turn around, guys.
I do have tights.
Hey, 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 hey.
Go follow on YouTube so I have money.
This literally is like, that's the greatest resource ever put in front of our face. Like, I'm so grateful that I am even able to climb up this height. I knew a woman at my age that could dare, who only wished, and imagined she could walk up this height. And she couldn't.
Say her name.
Couldn't.
Come on now. Redemption. We holistically heal and honor.
Whew.
Divine. Mitchell. Divine light. Divine being. She don't wish she could come up here. But I'm going to do it for her and everybody who walks with her. Everyone aligned with her and them, they, as a whole. We do it for you. We have gratitude. So much gratitude. They come up here and charge.
Facts.
They come over here and put their electrical poles.
Come on now.
Like, there are electrical poles all up and through here, but we are not. And we're electrical beings.
Soul beings. Electric soul.
We come out here and get the light, bro. This is what we do every day. Every day, bro. Whether it be in the physical or the ethereal, we do that shit. Every day. Every day we stop.
Good job tonight. Oh, God. Good job, baby. Ah, it hurts. Right? Flex their muscles. Sheesh. Oh, boy. Whoa.
Yeah! That.
Go, girl. Woo! Keep going. All the way to the top. Barefoot gang. What's up?
Free electrons, free electrons.
Free electrons for
Wait,
everybody.
You went to one of our universities, huh? Let me guess. You went to Yale.
No.
You went to Stanford.
Yeah, Nine. Woo! Woo! Period.
Can you see?
We out here doing the same thing they're doing. They followed the sun. And so did we. Actually, so within, so without. Ha, Jim. Eating. Pulled up on us, literally. Hello.
Like, we don't have to.
Hi.
We got love for y'all, you know, on Christmas.
That's good.
Every day is Christmas.
Hi, you guys. What's up, bruh?
Wakanda forever.
Bro, they bringing their friends. They gonna get out of the water and come up next. He pulled up on us, and then you gonna turn around. Hi, are you wagging your tail? Are you wagging your tail? Hi, honey. Look, he just keeps walking up to us, but we don't have any food.
We don't got food. We got the food of life.
Right,
Like
we do. We have that life force. We give you love.
Got that energy. Man, so pretty. Nigga only gotta show you one time. But anybody can get crazy and do something and have a moment. But premeditated, just straight disrespect. With all expectation. Green out here right now.
Woo! The sun is shining, baby. What's up?
And when you're grounding, you're letting the static electricity that is built up in your body out. You're releasing what you no longer desire energetically by grounding.
Wow, my feet are really ashy. Release, allow. Release, allow. Release, allow. Release, allow. Get my bare feet. Get my bare feet. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Here's what you can do. Here's a walking exercise. Are you ready? When you make your first step with your right foot, you say, release. You're going to walk on the ground. When you make your first step with your right leg, say release. Then you make your second step with your left leg, say allow. Allow. Because you're going to allow her to send a pulse wave up your left side, which is your feminine side, which is very attractive or magnetic, and is picking up the energy very quickly. Your right side is more male. It's the anode or the plus side or the positive side of the electrical circuit. The left side is the negative side of the electrical circuit. It is the part that makes atoms. The female part of an electrical circuit is what makes atoms. Atom don't make her. This is deep. I know I touched on something. I'm not supposed to go there. I'm gonna leave this alone. I know my associates are saying, Doc, please don't go there because you'll be there for the rest of the day. That's true. Just remember, right leg, you walk, and you say release. Left leg, you make a step, you say allow. Release, allow. Release, allow. Release, allow. Release, allow. Release, allow.
Release, allow. Release, allow. Release, allow. Release, allow. Release, allow. Release. So much gratitude that we can demand that and have a knowing in that. And that it is done. So shall it be. You see yourself? You see yourself? You just keep pulling up, huh? You probably the same one that put up on this a week ago.
What is all of this right here? Are those feathers?
Look at how they look and they reflect. They reflect like a gray.
Yeah.
Or a blue.
Yeah.
Like a blue, gray, fluorescent color. And it's look at
Just out here maintaining our health. Feel me?
Hello.
Hi, baby.
Hello.
You wanna say hi?
Did you know that there's a lot of radiation in the cell phone? Where's my cell phone? There's a lot of radiation in the cell phone, right? When a person is standing on the earth on their cell phone, the radiation does not enter their body. When you ground, it takes the disagreeable, because there's two kinds of radiation. There's radiation that you know, what the sun is got radiation too. The earth, everything is radiating energy. So radiation does not mean disagreeable. But when you stand on the ground, your body begins to release the disagreeable radiation you've been holding on to. Energies and thoughts and feelings from the past. So just by putting your naked feet or your naked body, your naked hands on the ground, or grabbing a tree,